How to check Sephora gift card balance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can check his Sephora gift card balance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check your Sephora gift card balance, what you have to do is you need to come to this official website, which is sephora.com/beauty/gift cards. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you come to this official website, if you scroll down over here, you'll find the option called check your balance. So it says to check your current balance, enter the card's 16-digit number and PIN. So all you have to do is make sure to enter your gift card number as well as also the PIN, and then tap the check option, and then you will be able to see the balance of that particular gift card. This way you'll be able to check your Sephora gift card balance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.